So we are meeting first time. So
Yeah.
let's give your brief introduction so that I'll know more about you.
Yes. Yes. First of all, I am Santanu Das. I am from West Bengal, and currently also I am not. I am working person. I work in a hospital as a attendant. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Apart from I am running my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So in your
Yeah.
YouTube,
That's all.
what kind of videos are you making or uploading on your YouTube channel?
Yeah. I have started recently. Yeah. And only for a conversational video. Yeah.
Okay, just for learning purpose, you have started your
Yes.
YouTube channel.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Shall I also
And
introduce
bro.
myself?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, my name is Gendo Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand. If I talk about my education, I'm pursuing graduation. There are 6 members in my family, and my hobbies are I like reading, writing, talking with others, playing, watching videos on YouTube, or traveling. That's all.
Yes. 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 You are also told you are always like watching cricket or football. Yeah.
Playing cricket. I like playing
Playing
cricket.
cricket. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
And
yes.
when do you play cricket?
Yeah, but in this day, I'm not getting time. That's why. But before, I used to play a lot. Yes, but
Mhm.
last few months I have been not playing because of lack of time, because I don't get more time, because also I'm studying, and also I teach in a private school. And as in this day also I'm running a YouTube channel. In that also I upload videos and I talk with others. So I am fully busy whole day.
Yes. 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 And you also right now also you are starting you are studying in college, but in which subject doing your graduation?
Yeah, in history honors I'm pursuing my graduation here.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so
But
ha-
yeah.
have you been learning English, or what are the things efforts you are putting to improve your English?
Yeah, I am also right now improving my English skill day by day. Yeah, and I am learning English because there is another reason also. But actually, English is an international language as well as the communication language. To communicate each other, to communicate other country of people, English is necessary. English is a needful language also. Yeah, and the other hand also English is a professional language. Whenever you go to the interview for taking a good job in a multinational company, first of all the interviewer asks the question in English. That's why also English is very necessary and needful language also. But I am
Yeah,
learning English because there is another reason. Yeah, but when I was starting in my school life, when I was starting in class 8 standard and 9 standard, that time my English was not good. And as far I was that time also I was very weak in English subject. And that time also at that time also I could not write one sentence in English properly. As far as I remember, one day my English class teacher also gave me a writing a paragraph about our village, and that time also I wrote 10 sentences, but one sentence was correct, but the rest of the other sentences were wrong. Yeah,
yeah,
that's why also that's why also in this time whenever I get free time, I always try to learn English. In this time also I can write properly, but I cannot speak properly. That's why also I am practicing right now.
yeah. Our English is a very difficult for the student who have completed their schooling from government school, because in government teachers do not pay more attention towards English subject. They do not teach
Yes.
the students well, and they don't focus a lot. That's why because I have completed my all schooling from Hindi medium school. Really, I was
In the
totally,
medium.
yeah, in English subject. I had also faced a lot of problems in English. That's why I thought let's learn, and then I started learning all alone. And in this day, I'm getting friends to talk with them, so I'm improving myself day by day. Yes,
Yes, yes. But you are also speaking very well. But how much time do you practice in a day?
yeah. In this day, I'm talking, yeah, more 2-3 person every day. I'm talking with them. Yeah, but
Yes,
before
yes.
Before a few months, I used to do only self practice. I used to record myself. I used to take any particular topic in that I used to discuss in front of the camera. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yes.
but
And
start
do you
is
like watch? Do you like
yeah, yeah. What did you say?
do you like watching? Do you like watching? Do you like watch the YouTube video?
Yes, yes. I like most watching videos on YouTube. I like watching movies, cartoons, and all kind of things which is related to English language. So really, I learn because also I learn many more things whenever I watch any videos or movies on YouTube. So that's why just for just for learning purpose, I watch those all videos and yeah, cartoons. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And bro, I am asking you one question. But what is your goal? And right now also you are doing your graduation. But after that also, what is your goal?
Yeah, I want to become a teacher. In my
Okay.
future, in my life, I want to become a teacher. Yes, it's
Yes,
my
yes.
goal. Yeah.
Nice, nice. I am also always like teaching. Yeah, I always like teaching. And but right now, also I am working in a hospital. But I always like teaching. Yeah, but that's why also when I was starting in my college, at the same time I was teaching in my home as a private tutor in mathematics subjects. And there were 120 students in a six batch. Yeah, I always
So
like teaching.
why you left that like profession? Why
Yeah,
you left profession?
yes, right now also I am working in a hospital and I have to do the shifting duty in the hospital morning, evening, night, and it is so difficult. Night duty is so difficult for me, but I did not get fee proper time. That's why also right now also I don't not did not teach. Yeah,
Okay, yeah. So what's your passion? What the things that you like to do most?
yeah. Right now also I am working person and my second goal is I want to be a good speaker. That's why also I am practicing right now. Yeah,
Okay, okay, that's nice, nice job. Good.
and bro, how many how many states did you visit in our country?
Yeah, in this day I haven't visited more states, but sure I will visit in my future because I really, I'm very passionate fond of traveling or visiting new places or explore new things. So I really like a lot, but I have visited only few states, three or four states. Yeah, but yeah, I'm sure in future I hope I'll be able to
But
visit, all over
yeah.
the yeah.
But you have visited only two or three state also. But in which purpose did you go there?
Just for wandering with my friends, just for exploring the thing, just
Yes,
for
yes.
enjoying over there. Yes, because whenever I
Yes,
see nature and any ancient thing, I really get enjoy. I i feel satisfied, I can say. So that's why I really like a lot.
yes, yes. And bro, I am asking you another question. You are speaking very well. That's why also. But how did you improve your English skill?
Yeah.
How did you improve your English skill?
Yeah, like I'm improving. I'm not good at speaking, but day to day, day by day, I'm just improving myself. Yes, it was not like easy for me. It was not easy task for me, but I was very passionate. That's why I did my work, consistent, and every day I used to do, practice a lot, and I maintained my consistency. Yeah, I put more and more efforts. All the time I used to think in English. That's why today, right now, I'm able to speak. Like I belong to village. Here, the people, and nobody speaks in English. So that's why it was very challenges thing for me to find friends, partners, or talk with them. Or also, I had no idea like how to connect with others. But day by day, I'm just learning. I'm gaining knowledge. I'm also enhancing or boosting my confidence. All these things is like I can say I'm
Yes, yes.
improving.
I am belong to a village area also in West Bengal. That's why also I know properly. If you are living in village area, and that's why it is so difficult for your learning English because no, there is no good environment for learning English. No one speaking English. No one speaking English in our locality. Yeah. But uh, I have a lot of friends, but they are educated person, but they are not willing. They are not willing to learn English. They are not interested to learn English. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. But if you will try to learn, then nobody will support you. All the people, they will try to pull you back. You know,
Yes.
they tease you. They will, they will never support you. Like you will be able to learn this language, and because the mentality of the villagers, I can say totally different. They don't know the value of English because uh, they haven't faced any problem issues in their life. That's why, Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And bro, how many members do you have in your family?
Yeah. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer. We do belong
Yeah.
to farm family. My mother is a homemaker. I have 3 sisters. I'm the eldest one, and all are younger than me. We all are studying. Yes.
Yes. Your father is a farmer, but right now also, what kind of food are you growing in your area? What kind of food? What kind of crops are growing in your field?
Yeah. We grow in our field like paddy, wheat, or potato, tomato, all kind of vegetables. Yeah, these kind of things we grow
Yes.
in our.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So, what
All
do you do
right,
in your
bro.
free time
Yeah. Yeah,
whenever
I
you?
whenever actually, I whenever I get free time, I always watch the YouTube video. Yeah, and also English video. But when I watch the YouTube video, that time also I can understand properly. Yeah, there is no problem. And that time also I was thinking I will be able to speak English fluently. But when start speaking, that time also I get stuck. And I have been facing this problem for a long time. Yeah.
Yeah, right, right. So, what are the things that you find interesting? Like for improving English. One question I would like to ask: what are the main, parts of learning this language, like reading, writing, speaking, or listening?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which play more important role?
Actually, to speak English fluently, always you have to follow four rules: LSRW. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Four things are very important. But in my point of view, in my opinion, listening and speaking is the most important part for speaking English, because right now also right now we are talking each other in English. First of all, you are talking. After that, also I am listening, and finally also I understand. And after that, also I am speaking. That's why also in my point of view, in speaking and listening is the most important part for speaking English.
Right, right, right. I agree. I satisfied with your answer. Yes, because we are very perfect or very fluent in our mother tongue. Only this became
Yes.
possible, or we are very confident, fluent only because of listening or speaking. We haven't read any kind of grammars, rule, structure, and vocabs for speaking in our native language. Like that, if you are passionate to learn any new language, just listen more and more and try to
Yes.
speak. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Sure, one day you will learn like how to
Yes.
speak. Yeah. So
All
how
right,
many
bro.
languages, sir? How
Go.
many languages do you know? How many
Yeah.
languages?
Yes, yes. I know only three languages. Also, I'm from West Bengal. That's why also Bengali is my mother tongue, and I know English. But right now, also I am being able to speaking a little bit, and I know Hindi a little bit. Yeah.
That's nice, nice. You have you know command on those languages. That's really nice. We must
Yes.
have we must know more and more languages so that easily we can face or communicate with anyone if you are in any situation, right?
Yes. 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 But bro, I am asking one question. You are right now also recording the video, but I am not recording the video. Yeah.
Yeah, you will get this video as our video, our call will be cut and automatically you will get this video. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
yes,
Yes.
yes. So right, today is your holiday, right?
Actually, I work in a hospital, and there is no fixed holiday. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hospital, I can understand.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's my holiday because today is Sunday. That's why
Hmm.
today I'm at home. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. All right, bro. Nice to meet you. You are speaking very well.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for your compliment. I hope one day I'll be able to speak more fluent or better because it
Yes.
will be
Yes.
real. big achievement for me. Even I'm also very happy that I'm able to convey my message, share my point of view, opinion to the others. It was, you know, I haven't thought ever in my life that I'll be able to speak, because living in a village and taking any like other thing, like if you just want to learn something, or go through new things, it's a very challenges for you. You have to face a lot of problems.
Yes, yes. All right, bro. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Okay, same to you. Same
Yeah.
to you. Yeah.